Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Color Club Midnight Magic. Alright, so I'm using my hand here today and I've got on some really long tips. I filed off that little nub on the end. I'm going in with a little base coat here, and this one's from Revlon. I don't know that I really needed to do this, but I did it. Here we go with Color Club, and this one is Midnight Magic. Very pretty polish. So pretty. So here we go. We're going to get our first coat on of Midnight Magic. It's a very sheer polish. It's going to take, I don't know, maybe 3 coats. Mike could use more. Hi Woody, how you doing? So anyway, I am using my Beyonce hand from Glamor Liz. She is beautiful. There we go with our second coat, and we are going to do a third coat, but I'm going to stop at 3 just because give me a break. I'm just not going to do more than 3. Alright, I've got Eliana's fast drying top coat here. We're going to give this a go here over this Midnight Magic. Get it dry down so we can do a little bit of playing. Oh yeah, it's so pretty. Love the little flakies in that. Alright, there's a swatch photo of it on its own. I'll be using Cici&Sisi Indian 03 plate and Maniology So Metal to stamp with today. I got out my Konad stamper. And gonna give that a little scrape. I love this plate. It is an old acrylic plate. Cici&Sisi are no longer making plates and stuff anymore, so I just wanted to break out something and show it some love. So we're gonna line that up and roll it onto the nail. It's been a minute since I've done anything on a practice hand, so it takes some getting used to when you're used to doing just yours, you know. We got lots and lots of manis to do, and already had stuff on my own nails, so I just decided I would go ahead and break out my play hand. Alright, so we're not doing anything crazy with this one today. I just wanted to play, and I'm going to clean that plate. I do use acetone on my acrylic plates. I don't know how else really you'd clean them. I haven't had any problems with it. Okay, so we've got 2 full nail designs, and then I'm going to go in and use smaller designs on the other 2 nails. And I had a thumbnail in the practice hand, but decided against using it because it wasn't going to make it in the picture anyway. Just, keep it easy. Alright. Got that one down. It's almost a full nail design. I do clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and like I said, I do clean that plate off with acetone, so be some easy does it. And this is like a little feather, and I just thought that was cute. Looks really cute. There we go, cleaning that plate off with some acetone again. Ta-da! Make sure the back's clean and my little mat. Alright, so I'm going in just like I do when I do my nails. And I'm using a piece of tape to get the excess up off around the nail area. We only want the nails painted here. That's it. Alright. I'll be topping these with the smudge-free top coat for Maniology. Oh, so pretty. And I do like blue and silver together. It's one of my favorites. Well, I've got a lot of favorites, to be honest. But get that over those without smearing them. And now I'm going to go in with Moonshine Mani Let's Go top coat to finish these off. Very easy, simple manicure, but very pretty, I think. You'll have to let me know what you think about them. And these are some of those extra long nail tips that came in the July box. I forgot the name of it, but I did a video on it, and these were some of that PR that was sent to me. And I really did like them because I had a lot of nail estate to play with today. And I don't normally do really, really long nails, so big time cool. And there is my final swatch photo. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.